Hello guys, welcome back to Jobs and Educational YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see some more previous physics questions for reset. Let's see the first question. Here the first question read, a jet engine works on the principle of. He is asking a jet engine works on the principle of. Let's see the options. Conservation of energy, conservation of mass, conservation of linear momentum, conservation of angular momentum. So the jet engine works on the principle of conservation of linear momentum. We know that momentum equals to mass into velocity into radius. So its jet engine works on the principle of conservation of linear momentum. Let's see the next question. Here the question reads, a particle is vibrating in a simple harmonic motion. A particle is vibrating in a simple harmonic motion with an amplitude of 4 centimeters. Amplitude equals to 4 centimeters. At what displacement from the equilibrium position is its energy of potential and of kinetic? Is asking that when a body or particle is moving in simple harmonic motion with the amplitude of 4 centimeters, at what displacement from the equilibrium position, at what displacements its potential energy and kinetic energy will be off. Let's see the options. 1 centimeter, root 2 centimeters, root 2 centimeters, 2 root 2 centimeters. Let's see the answer. Here in simple harmonic motion, the kinetic energy and potential energy of particle is given by the following relation. In simple harmonic motion, Ke and Pe are given by the following relations. Ke equals to half m omega square a square minus x square. A square is amplitude and x is the displacement. P equals to half m omega square x square. So the total energy will be kinetic energy plus potential energy. Total energy equals to this kinetic energy plus potential energy. Now as Pe equals to Ke, both half is given that Pe equals to Ke. From above equations, a square minus x square equals to x square. From these two equations, if we equate these two, we will get a square minus x square equals to x square. So here this x square is transferred to the right side, so it will becomes 2x square, that is equals to a square. X equals to a by root 2. X equals to a, amplitude is given 4 by root 2 is nothing but 2 root 2. Here the displacement from the equilibrium position where potential energy and kinetic energy both will half is 2 root 2 centimeters. So here we should equate potential energy is equals to kinetic energy. Potential energy equals to half m omega square x square. Kinetic energy equals to half m omega square a square minus x square. So the answer 2 root 2 centimeters is the right. Let's see the next question. Here the question reads, when a surrounding body and listener approach each other, when a surrounding body, suppose this is a body and a listener, approach each other, the pitch appears to rise, and when they move away from each other, pitch appears to decrease. This is known as, we know that when two, suppose if a sound making device or a car is horning and the person moving towards this car, the pitch will increase. If the person moving away from this car, the pitch will decrease. So this is known as, what effect is this? First one, Doppler's effect, Newton's formula, interference, Seben's formula. The answer is Doppler's principle. The pitch increase and decrease is nothing but depends on Doppler's principle. Remember the answer. Now let's see the next question. An engine driver moving towards a wall with a velocity of, suppose here there is a wall and engine driver moving with a velocity of 50 meter per second. 50 meter per second. Emits a note of 1.2 kilohertz. Means the frequency he emits is 1.2 kilohertz. Speed of sound in air is 350 meter per second. The speed of sound, suppose if he horns, the speed of the sound in air is 350 meter per second. The frequency of the note after reflection from the wall as heard by the engine driver. A driver moving with a velocity 50 meter per second, he engine driver, he press a horn and that horn sound travels 350 meter per second in air with a 1.2 kilohertz frequency. If it reflects from this wall back and heard by this engine driver, what is the frequency he is asking. While going towards the wall, the frequency is 1.2 kilohertz. After reflection, what is the frequency of that tone or note to the engine driver? Let's see the answer. 1.2 kilohertz, 1.6 kilohertz, 0.24 kilohertz, 2.4 kilohertz. Here velocity 350 meter per second he given, and velocity of that engine driver is 50 meter per second. Frequency given 1.2 kilohertz. These three are given data. Now frequency we should find when it is reverted back. So the reflected frequency of the note is given as formula: frequency into velocity of sound in air plus velocity of engine driver or a moving particle by velocity of sound in air minus velocity of moving particle. So 1.2 into V is nothing but velocity of sound in air, substitute V equals to 350, and this displacement or the velocity of engine driver is 50 meter per second. So the answer will get 1.6 kilohertz. So the frequency of this reflected note is 1.6 kilohertz. Frequency into velocity of sound minus velocity of that moving particle plus by divided by velocity of sound in air minus velocity of moving particle. This is the formula. Reflected frequency equals to. Now let's see the next question. What is the maximum number of syllables a person can speak in 1 second? What is the maximum number of syllables a person can speak in 1 second? Here, what is syllables? Define syllables and comment it in the comment section. What is the maximum number of syllables a person can speak in 1 second? Let's see the options 1, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is 5. A person can speak 5 syllables in 1 second. Here the speed of sound in air at NTP is 300 meter per second. At normal temperature pressure conditions, the sound of air or the speed of sound in air is 300 meter per second. If the pressure becomes 4 times than the speed of the sound, if P is equals to 4 times the speed of the sound, okay, at NTP, then if pressure becomes 4 times, then the speed of the sound will be, he is asking at NTP the speed of sound is 300 meter per second. If the pressure becomes 4 times, then what about the speed of the sound? Options 150 meter per second, 300 meter per second, 600 meter per second, 1200 meter per second. At NTP or any condition, the speed of sound in air does not changes and it is 300 meter per second only. Option 2 is correct. The speed of the sound in air does not changes and this value is 300 meter per second approx. Let's see the next question. For the efficiency of Carnot cycle to be maximum. Option A, the temperature of source should be infinity, the temperature of sink should be infinity, the temperature of source should be 0, both should be infinity. Suppose this is a source and this is a sink. Source, sink. To make this Carnot cycle efficiency maximum, what should be done? Temperature of source, this is the source, so this temperature of source should be infinity. By increasing the temperature of the source or keeping it maximum, we can achieve the maximum efficiency in Carnot cycle. Remember, source temperature should be infinity or maximum. Specific heat of a gas at constant volume Cv and at constant pressure Cp as related as Cp minus Cv equals to R. Cp by Cv equals to gamma. Remember these two conditions. Specific heat at constant pressure minus specific heat at constant volume is equals to gas constant R. And the ratio of specific heat at constant pressure and constant volume is gamma, which is nothing but 1.4. So he asked the The specific heat of a gas at constant volume Cv and at constant pressure Cp are related as Cp minus Cv equals to R. Next question, if the pressure remains constant, the volume of gas will be. If pressure remains constant, the volume of gas. Suppose now Charles law, take Charles law, at constant pressure, volume is directly proportional to temperature. If if temperature increases, volume increases. If temperature decreases, volume decreases. Let's see the options according to this Charles law. Increase with increase in temperature. So here temperature increases means volume will be increased. This is the correct. Let's see the next option. Decrease with increase in temperature. This is wrong. Not change with temperature. This is wrong. Become zero. Wrong. So the first option, increase with increase in temperature. If temperature increases, volume of gas will be increases at constant pressure according to Charles law. So first option is the correct. Here a superconducting material when placed in a magnetic field will be. Suppose a superconducting material is placed in a magnetic field, then what happens? Let's see the options. Attract the magnetic field towards its center. Attract the magnetic field but transfer it into a concentrated zone. Repel all the magnetic lines of forces passing through it. Not influence the magnetic field. Suppose there is a magnet. This is a bar magnet. Suppose this is the magnetic field. If a superconducting material is placed in this magnetic field, repel all the magnetic lines of forces passing through it. All the magnetic lines of forces passing through it, either in this direction or in this direction, it will repel all the magnetic lines of forces. Let's see the next question. For long distance communication, what is required? Grand index fibers are more suitable? No. Single mode step index fibers are more suitable? Yes. Step index fibers are more suitable. Silica fibers are more suitable. He is asking for long distance communications, which type of fibers are used. So for long distance communication, single mode step index fibers. Remember this answer. Single mode step index fibers are used for long distance communication. Single mode step index. Thank you.